We have a comment here from one of our followers, si MJ, and thank you for your question. So, ito yung ginagamit kong fertilizer right now. It's from Kubli Plant Shop. I think it's a local brand here in the Philippines. So, it's two parts, component A and component B. Yan. Halagay is 2.5 ml per liter of water. How I do it. Since wala akong syringe, I use the cap, no? So, I'm guessing 2.5 ml. So, 1, 2. So, ayan. Shake ko lang. Go to component B. 2.5 ml per liter as well. Dito sa kabilang. Shake lang. Refill. Available yung Kubli. The other one I use is Super Thrive Foliage Pro. Ayun. Thank you for watching.